Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai prenuptial agreements, sometimes referred to as premarital agreements. For those who are unaware, yes, it is possible to perfect a prenuptial agreement in Thailand. It's also possible to perfect an agreement in Thailand which would be enforceable in the United States as well. So we do deal with a lot of Americans who are looking to get a prenuptial agreement set up done. There's a lot of formalities associated with it. It needs to be done the right way. But long story short, yes, it's possible to do a prenup. Now, the purpose of the video is notarization, which having a notary notarize the prenup, the signing of the prenup. I think this is a very good idea. It is not, in the strict sense of the word, an absolute necessity, but I think it's a pretty good idea. In the prenups that we deal with here in our office, when the parties come in and do the signatures and everything, we go ahead and make sure that these are notarized. You just want to, it's an extra fail-safe, if you will, in order to essentially forestall any kind of argument that there's a forged signature or anything like this. The notarization is just an extra sort of quill, or I should say arrow in the quill of both parties for that matter. You know, at the end of the day, prenuptial agreements are about certainty, in my opinion. You know, I know there's a lot of kind of bad rap that prenups get where it's, you know, somebody's trying to just make sure they completely deprive their spouse of everything. Well, in point of fact, that's not really how it works as a practical matter. In my opinion, prenups are more about transparency. It's, hey, I'm entering this marriage with X, you're entering this marriage with Y. We're both aware of what we're entering with, and we're making an agreement that if the marriage dissolves, we're going to leave with X and we're going to leave with Y. You know, party A is going to leave with X, party B is going to leave with Y. That's what we're trying to do here. Again, I think it's a matter of transparency. Again, other people might disagree with me, but at the end of the day, that's what I think it's all about. Notarization definitely helps with that because it basically extinguishes any question down the road as to whether or not one or either or both of the parties in fact sign the document.